Good day, anywhere you're watching me, this is AI at Canalido. Let's solve this question together. Given that 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta equal to 5, find the value of sin theta, cos theta, and the rest. Because we have started the trigonometry a long time ago. And this kind of question, we are not giving triangle, nothing is given that can make you. We have to simplify this, which means 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta equal to 5. Solution. Then, what can we do? Let's take this one here. 5 minus 3 sin theta. Then, we cannot divide, neither multiply. But you can do one thing, you can square both sides. Now we have 4 cos theta square. And mistake, don't say this one square, this one square. No, they are both sides. This side will be 5 minus 3 sin theta all square. Not that you square it individually. This one 4 times 4, that gives us 16 cos square theta equal to, so that gives us 5 minus 3 sin theta over 5 minus 3 sin theta. Now, 16 cos square theta equal to, don't forget, this will multiply this will multiply this, come back here, multiply this, come back here, and multiply this. Let's do this better. 5 times 5, 25. 5 again like this, because 5 times minus 3, that's minus 15. You write sin theta. Come back with this one. Minus 3 times 5, that's minus 15 sin theta. Sin theta. Minus times minus, that's plus. That's sin square theta. But I want to remove this cos square. What can we do? We know that from sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, which means cos square theta will equal to 1 minus sin square theta. Which means instead of this, we write 16, 1 minus sin square theta. This one will give us 25. No, minus 15 minus 15. That's minus 30 sin theta plus 9 sin square theta. Then this one will give us 16 times 1, that's 16. This time that's minus 16 sin square theta equal to 25 minus 30 sin theta plus 9 sin square theta. I want to bring everything to one side. Which means if you bring everything to one side, we have the 0 here, the remaining. This one will become plus. When you cross this side, become 16 sin square theta. This one is plus, become what? Minus 16. This one will remain there because 25 minus 30 sin theta plus 9 sin square theta. No, this and this, that 16 sine square theta plus that will give us 0 will give us 25 sine square theta. This one minus 30 sine theta. This one and this minus 60 plus 25. That will give us plus 9. Then I want to, this is quadratic equation now because this sine, this sine square theta is a quadratic equation now. You can use complete square method. You know complete square method. What we use it now? We take square root of the square root of 25 is what? 0 we got to is 5. Square root of sine square theta is sine theta alone. Then we have minus a, take the minus a, and you know 9 is 3 square. You write 3, you write square here. Even if they expand this, you get this one back. It means that 5 sine theta minus 3 square equal to 0, or 5 sine theta minus 3 equal to 0, which mean our which mean 5 sine theta equal to 3. That means sine theta is equal to 3 over 5. You can see now that they usually give us question in this form. We are able to get our sine theta. Then we now find cos theta, tan theta. But this way to find that one is simple now because this is the most difficult one which I'll be able to simplify. Cos theta now. You now draw the triangle. The triangle let's say this is theta. This is opposite. Opposite, you know, from sine theta, opposite is this 3. Hypotenuse, because sine theta is opposite as a 5. Then we need to find the third side. The third side. And to find the third side, we need to use a Pythagorean theorem that says that hypotenuse square equal to opposite square plus adjacent square. Our hypotenuse is 5 square. Our opposite is 3 square. 3 square plus adjacent square. This is 25 equal to 9 plus adjacent square. That gives us 16. 16 equal to adjacent square, or adjacent equal to square root of 16 is equal to 4. Here is 4. Having done that, we can find the cos, the tan, the cosec, the sec. Our cos theta now, from SOHCAHTOA, that's adjacent. You know this opposite. I put this again. This cos theta will be equal to 4 over 5. Tan theta, that's TOA. Opposite over adjacent, that's the opposite. That's 3 over 4. Then sec theta. Sec theta is what? Reciprocal of what? Cos theta, which means sec theta will now be equal to The reciprocal of this one is what to be 5/4. Cosec theta will be reciprocal of what? Sine, which is going to be what? 5/3. Thanks for watching. I really like to follow me and share me.